What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today is day 16 of Dopecember. If you haven't already, make sure you guys click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I have been dropping a video every day for the month of December, and you guys don't want to miss any of my uploads. So today I'm going to be installing 24-inch Nala Tress poetry locks on my client. The Janet collection sent me 8 packs of this hair, and I'm using a total of 5 to complete this look. So there are 10 locks that come in each pack, which means that my client has anywhere from 40 to 50 locks installed because I didn't use the entire 5th pack. So this is what the hair looks like. I recently did a butterfly lock tutorial using a different style from this brand, and these are just slightly less distressed. So the butterfly lock ones have more of that loop going throughout. So this is how I prep my client's hair for my crochet locks. I do like to do individual installs because I feel like it gives a more realistic look. The only thing that I did different this time is I did twists. I braided at the root and then twisted down, and that just allows for an easier takedown on this style. So I'm just showing you guys what these locks look like installed. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I install a couple of them, but they are super long, super pretty, and super easy and convenient. So my last install with this brand, I told you I had an issue with the loop at the top, and this was like completely different. The loop was big enough to use, and it was so easy to install, so I was really happy about that. If you guys have not seen my last lock look that I did with this brand, I'm gonna go ahead and link it in the top right section for you guys right now, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. But I was able to easily pull these through. This time I did also pull the braid through. Sometimes I don't do it just because I feel like for the takedown process it does make it a little bit harder, but today I'm gonna do it just because I like the way that it looks better. So once I crochet that through the top of my client's hair, I'm gonna take my hook and put it through the middle of the lock, and I'm gonna go ahead and crochet my client's hair down the middle of the lock, and this is gonna help to hide that piece of hair. these locks are 24 inches, but because my client is younger, I'm actually going to cut them. One of my subscribers on my last faux lock tutorial asked if these locks can be cut, and so I'm going to show you guys how you can cut and seal them. The shortest length that I've seen for these is 18 inches, and so if you want it any shorter than that, then you guys can use this technique to achieve a shorter lock. So once I determined how long my client wanted her locks to be, I'm going to go ahead and cut it at that length. And you can leave it like this, but if you pull on it in any type of way at the bottom, it will unravel. So what I'm going to do after I cut it to be the length that I want it to be is I'm going to go in with a lighter and actually lightly burn the ends, and that's going to help it from unraveling. I'm not cutting every single lock to be like super even, just because I don't like it when it's hella blunt. So I'm cutting some slightly longer and then some slightly shorter, just for a little bit of variation at the end. So I'm just gonna take the lighter, I'm gonna lightly burn the ends. You don't have to rub it together. Some of them I did it, and then when I realized it wasn't necessary, I stopped. So this is the finished look. This is her birthday hair, and it turned out super cute. I love it. So I went ahead and put some jewels in it and stuff just to kind of spice it up. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up on this video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will catch you guys in my next video. What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?